Welcome back to the vlog, guys. Certified Mexican here. So on the last episode, this is what we got done. Check it out. We basically got rid of the seat, the panels here, all of that. And yeah, it's a pretty mess. Today I'm planning on removing the convertible top. The dash is gonna come out, and we're gonna basically just tear all this apart and just remove the carpet. That's the main goal: the carpet, dash, and then the top. If you watched the previous episode, you'd know that the carpet is pretty much molded, or it has this, like, you know, when rain just sits in carpet and it has that like musk odor to it. Well, there was some moisture underneath the carpet, and that's why the car smelled like that. So I'm more than likely gonna buy a new carpet and then just, you know, have it basically smell like new, because that's literally what's gonna happen. And yeah, I mean, worst case scenario, I'd try to salvage this carpet, but I don't know, we'll see. That's why I have the car out on the sun right now, which, by the way, is really hot. Right now there's a nice breeze going, but it feels like 100 and some degrees. Anyways, hopefully the car didn't get too hot, because then it's gonna be like a pain for my hands. It's basically gonna hurt to touch stuff. So maybe it was a bad idea leaving it out, but I wanted the carpet to, like, you know, maybe lose some of that yeah, because see, it's still kind of, I don't know if you could tell on the camera, but this is still kind of wet. Probably gonna vacuum all this up, clean it up, and just try to make the best of it, you know. I mean, this is expected. It's a 30-year-old car with the convertible top that never got changed. It's pretty much bad, so it's expected, but it's not a bad thing. It didn't rust the car, you know. That was probably worst case scenario. This is best case scenario, honestly. So yeah, let's get to it. I'm just gonna put a time lapse, and then you're just gonna see me work on the car and just removing bolts here and there, and trying to figure out how everything takes apart. So here goes. Whew. All right, guys, check it out. Dash is out. It wasn't really a pain, but it was kind of easy. All it took is a Phillips head and a 10mm and a 12mm socket, and a couple nuts, couple bolts. basically, I'm actually surprised how easy it is to take this thing apart with just like 2 standard tools. It's crazy. It's hot because of course Florida. Probably gonna take a break right now. My friends just got here. We're gonna play some Gran Turismo and set some lap records. I'll probably show some of that because we're also gonna play dirt, right?
Yeah. Comment on if you want us just to post some lap times on there, or post some like time attack events and see if you guys can beat our times.
We don't like to brag, but we're pretty good.
Let's just see. Post some comments if you want to see it. If you want some of that sauce in GT, let us know.
Yeah. I was planning on taking the top out, but it is freaking hot. I might take a break and then resume later. I don't know. We'll see. So here's some GT content, and then we'll go from there. If anything, I'll just close the video out. I got time. Check it out. It's my first stash ever. Not the first one, not the last one. Well, that's the first one, but it's not gonna be the last one.
Definitely professional though.
Look what this handsome guy showed up in.
Hey man, don't show my Lancer on
Look
TV.
at that.
Follow my channel too, guys.
He actually brought this thing out.
Yeah. Once in a blue.
A stock Lancer.
Yeah. Make sure to well, I'm sure they know my channel by now.
Yeah.
They've already seen it on the dyno.
They've been in your. Oh yeah, I forgot.
The dyno video.
The dyno, yeah, that's the car that made us 600 horsepower in the dyno.
Stay tuned. It's gonna go back really soon too. Pick up some more power.
Yeah, it's gonna pick up 100 more horsepower, make it 700. All right, guys.
Too nice.
They better suck me off and give me a fucking plate of gold.
Here's your head and your gold bar, sir. Bring them over, I got you.
What?
Come on, DeAndre, 4 left.
400.
I'm serious, I'll sell it.
5 left. Opens 80. Come on, Dre.
What's the whole 8?
Playing some dirt.
Because I know there's a single.
Rally point 2.0. Something like that.
Yeah, because you're a single stack.
Yeah.
Oh,
There goes 3 seconds.
overshot that.
What are those, Jolly Ranchers?
There's soft peppermints.
Soft peppermints. All right, guys, as you can see, it's nighttime. I got a little bit carried away playing Gran Turismo and dirt and trials now. My friends are still playing, so I'm gonna come out here and work on this in a little bit, see if I can get the top up. And I actually think I'm also gonna get the carpet out as well. I have to remove that, and the thing is the heater core or something like that, and then the top, or maybe just the top. I don't know. We'll see. Anyways, I'm draw the time lapse. Alright, I'm calling it a night. This is all I got done. I removed the dash, as you can tell. I wasn't able to remove the carpet because I have to take out the blower motor. Or is that the blower motor? Anyway, this is part of the AC unit and I have to take that out. But I was able to get the top out, as you saw at on the previous time lapse. So yeah, we got a lot done today. It was hot because Florida, of course, but yeah, it was really hot. So I smell really bad. Yeah, check it out. Look how dirty that is. Look at all that. The top is the main reason why water got in the trunk and why this whole interior just smells like like moisture pretty much, and why I'm probably gonna have to replace the carpet. But yeah, it's all right. It's fun. Tomorrow or whenever I have time, I'm probably going to I don't want to break this. I'm probably going to remove that AC unit thing, and then I should be able to remove the carpet, and then we get to cleaning. I'm gonna vacuum everything up, wipe everything down with like water, and yeah, keep on going with the restoration. I hope you're enjoying this. Like I said, if you have any questions on how to take anything apart, just let me know. Reach out to me. Alright guys, so it's the next day. I decided to just make the short time-lapse video of this and then an update right after the time-lapse, because I don't really have much to do. So I'm just gonna take out the carpet and I'm gonna take out the AC unit, and that's it. So I'm gonna make a quick time-lapse of that, and then I think I'm also gonna take this apart, which is the top. That way when the new top comes in, I can just put it on, and that's basically it for the Miata, and just clean it up. And what I'm having issue right now with that was like the heater hoses. I got one out, but with time these hoses just rotten, and they turn into a little pain to get out. So I gotta get this one out, and then I can get the I don't know if it's the motor, the blower motor, or the heater core. I believe it's the heater core. I don't know. Either way, I gotta get that out, and that's the hose that's stopping me, and then the rest is just nuts and bolts. So I'm gonna get that done, so enjoy. This is what the carpet looked like, guys. Look, check it out. It's really dirty. It's a almost 20-year-old car, so water, a little bit of water that just seeped in, just basically messes all this up. Look at all that. All that's water and moisture, and just nah. So next thing, I'll probably do a quick time lapse of me removing this, just, you know, the mechanism, and then I'll get back to you guys. Check it out, guys. This is why my top leaked water. First of all, there was no glass on the top, and I just covered it with a piece of plastic. And second of all, look at all that grime. See all that? Let's see. Look at all that. Look at all that. Shut this off. And that's why the interior was all soaked in water, and yeah, that's why it looks like that. It'll all be all right. Look, this is what the convertible mechanism looks like for an NA Miata. Miata. But yeah, guys, I'm all done for today. I got what I wanted to get done. On the next video, I'm going to be cleaning this bad boy up, and then hopefully we can start ordering some parts. I don't know what I want to begin with, to be honest with you. So we'll see what we have money for and what we don't, and then go from there. Hey.